Buongiorno, buonasera, good day or good evening. Hey, this is Larry Aiello. So I'm going to be here at the Sherbeth Festival Internazionale del Gelato Artigianale. Here every year they do this artisan ice cream gelato Sherbeth Festival here. And they have it on Via Maqueda here. So you can see there's ice cream makers. It tells who these vendors are. And this guy is from France on the right. Come from all over the world to showcase their ice cream or their gelato. There is a difference between the two. But today we'll talk about some pronunciation, the GE in Italian. So G is pronounced differently depending on what vowel it is placed before. Here, I'm going to try out some of these gelatos a little bit later. Looks yummy. So it's all along the line here on Via Maqueda. But GA, so there's a lot of Italian words actually that you can help you remember the rule in Italian for how you pronounce G. So GA is pronounced gatto. GA, of course, is a cat. G-A-T-T-O. So the double consonant in Italian has a little bit more emphasis. Gatto, put a little bit more emphasis on that T to pronounce it properly, as opposed to gatto. So gatto would be one T, gatto would be two. It's a fraction of a second difference in pronunciation, but it makes a huge difference in the meaning of the word. So G-A, gatto. G-E, gelato, has that J sound, G before the E, gelato. G-I, another way you can remember it is by our friend David Lee Roth, just a gigolo, G-I has that J sounding G to gigolo, G-I. Then we have G-U, would be gusto, like the flavor of gusto. G-U, gusto. And then G-O, as in gondola, gondola ride in Venice, G-O. And then if you want to change pronunciations, sometimes you put an H. H acts as a toggle. So GE is gelato, but if you want to pronounce it like in ghetto, you just put a GH. GH sound will toggle it over from the J sounding gelato to the G sounding in ghetto, GH. So those are the rules for G in Italian. G-A, gatto. G-E, gelato. G-I, gigolo, just the gigolo, David Lee Roth. G-U, gusto. And G-O, gondola. And the H sound acts as a flip to switch the pronunciation. So this is Larry Aiello at the Sherbeth Gelato Italian Festival here in Palermo that they do every year. If you want to learn more Italian, click on the link below. And there'll be links to my other courses, and I'm also publishing a book on Palermo. Will be in the link section below. Have a great day, everyone. Ciao, ciao.